ama sain ti bai le vek vo into Dane te nen strawberry te kan han pick don ani hi le.
Dane, what are we gonna pick?
Okay.
Tupa.
Strawberry tro.
We get
Strawberry kan pick don tro. Kan lo don tro.
No.
Oh, kan lo don he lại ha strawberry. Với na hey, Dane te kan oma a strawberry hi lo la ka lo hun to kan han. Lo nghe. Ken hello ra to. You know what? Some of them are ready to pick. Okay, let's see. Come, here we go. Okay, hold. Hey, hold it. Okay, me will pick. Oh, yummy. Wow. All right. Oops. Some of them are eaten by ants. Hey, tend to. Kan lo amy hi kan lo pick hara hey. Wow. Kan lo pick har to han. The ants are eating. Kan lo pick har to ni hi. Oh boy.
That's
We need.
disgusting.
Yeah. We gotta clean it. You know, but hey. Can strawberry to tampak lo na. Oh, what are you doing that? These are good. Here, you hold the good ones. Okay? Are you gonna pick some? Here. Okay, look. There. Okay. Oh, you're gonna pick it? Oh boy. Atui don lutuk kalom. Atui lutuk trabete. Can you say atui lutuk? Atui lutuk don eh. Nope.
Nope.
Okay. All right. Okay. Hold it tight, or you want to put it lay down here? Okay. Let's pick some here. And you have your bubbles. Okay. Are you gonna pick it? Okay. Are you gonna pick strawberries, or you're just gonna play? Okay. All right. What is that? Bubbles? Okay. I guess you're not interested in.
He just threw me.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Go this way. Okay, honey, give me one of those. Wow. Look.
What? You get two of them.
You want to have a strawberry shortcake? Will it be yummy? Yeah. All right. All right. Yeah.
Wait. He's waiting.
And strawberry ni. Ang lo haraba ka. Kain ko lo luto ka ni kum ai cho na chalo de uhat. Ma se hey. Alo ra ve ya hey. Lem te kan dei khop tu chu. Amai ro chu chen hi phong mi ra lo o ma ti fai de uhat chu nga yang ha. Kan lu pa le kan tu pa ei khop chu kan nei ve don tho hey. Lo ra ve. Kalau en lo mia alo a. You didn't know that our strawberries are ripening, right, honey?
What? Okay, shake it off.
Okay.
Looks like you have to pick them before they get too ripe.
Yeah, I know.
Go. A big bubble.
And maybe strawberry can pick Nuam. Can callberry can pick le anga. Chen alo min to lak thei lo om to kan callberry po. Then te kan ron tilang le ang lokana emi zo hianin.
Oh no, it broke.
What broke? But te go into ka callberry te hi can be alo ready to wangin. Then te kalanga kan mu vere re ngang cheu ni kum ngai tua chuan ka thil hi thalowa ma se kan I khop chu ni ve thawa hei hi ka broccoli ania hei po hi a si kho lu tu ka hei po hi I kan la mai mai anga chuanin he lama hei hi chu hei ka ti pa ranga a chia damia hi min chen tre pa han lian kan khop ai ta ma ma hei po hi kan la zela chuanin ka callberry ho he la hianin ka celery ho hi hei po hi ni ku ma mi te khan ya hei an lian to hei lak chun ni ku lak kan ngai to ti yang kan op te twai la hei ta hian thil dang ka phun le anga an lo la thang thave ang reng lu to ka hei po hi chuanin hei ka callberry te hi heng ho hi chu an na te po hi lai hlep lop ve a thadon via ba heng hi chu an la ready lova hi ni kum khan helai khanin cabbage kha ka da khan ya hei heng hi ala ron yan ve zel dona I think honey that's can I put me kitu ready to ni kitu kala anga kan sat no kan ngana ni grab this so like anin dilam pa nga so anin ready om to bo kanga hi sa de so ki ngai te ya what favorite Hi. Okay.
Look, I broke my.
You broke?
Yeah, I broke my bowl.
Oh, you did. Yeah. Let me fix it for you. Okay. There you go. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So, honey, we're gonna pick a couple from my raised bed from the other side. Okay? So, let's. These are not very good. Hey, you just hello, look at my say. Hey, Daniel, tomato, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. We'll grab one from the other race bed. These are ready. Look how big these are. These are nice. They got a lot of flies. I need to water.
Look, it broke the tree.
Yeah, I know. Tahianin sildang kaching le anga hen hitu alak to Swanin. Oh, I think that's it. Sildang. Okay, you wanna hold my these? Here. You wanna hold some of these? Apa bawing ko talong may tuan. It's really broken. Okay, drop.
Ole khati zong kha tu na ka lo share le chu alo mang ni le ta e kalom em thank you so much, God bless.